Oh boy. Oh my god. Sick. Look how sexy this is.
This kind of quality is what you're looking at.
So massive shout out to an anonymous fan that reached out to me on Instagram and asked me, what forks do you want? And I said I want Marzocchi Bomber 58s, and he literally ordered these for me. You can see they're considerably thicker than the stock. Time to throw these on. Excuse me, sir. Thank you.
Okay, and then just beautiful gifts.
Ooh, okay.
Here, go your hammer. Freedom. That's the greatest tool.
Atta boy. Oh boy. This is mean. Again, thank you so much to the anonymous fan that bought these forks for me. Couldn't have asked for a better gift. Wow. Chris, thank you so much. Go ahead, check out Chris's YouTube channel. I'm gonna link it in the description. Oh boy. Oh man. You out here with the Marzocchis. So I need to like adjust them to whatever the right amount is. Rear brake had no grip to it. Didn't hurt. Dude, I just looped it.
Ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because
the rear brake's got no grip to it.
You okay?
Dude, I just got it on camera. Look at that. No.
Oh, you got it.
Looped it.
We didn't touch your brakes, so I don't know what. You're kind
Dude,
of
that was weird as hell. Hold up. Whoa, feels like a different bite. Yeah, I just totally dumped it.
I promise, I did see a thing.
You were watching. Yeah, I was hitting the brake, it just wasn't catching.
Yeah.